Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to show you how you can run Android apps on PC without any emulator. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to run Android apps on PC without any emulator. First of all, you need to open the Google Chrome browser on your PC. Then you need to download the app on the PC that you want to run. For this, first you have to type Google Play Store, then click on Enter. Now, here you will see Google Play Store website on your first search result. Click and open it. Once the Play Store opened, you have to search for the app that you want to run on your computer. Suppose you want to run Facebook app, simply type Facebook on the Google Play search box and open it. Now, you have to copy the URL that you can see at the top of your browser. Then, you have to open another tab and type APK Downloader. Here, we'll see package name or Google Play URL, paste the URL that you have copied. Now, click on Generate Download Link. After that, tap on Click here to download Facebook.com. Here you can see your APK file is downloaded successfully. Then close the browser. Now, again reopen the Chrome browser and type https://www.lambdadist.com, then hit Enter. Next, you have to click on Sign Up. Then sign up with Google. Once you have signed up and logged in successfully, you can see real-time testing option to expand it. Then click on Mobile App, Virtual. Now, here you will see blue Upload button. Click on that button to upload the downloaded Facebook app file there. Now, you have to select the brand, OnePlus. Then let the process finish. After that, here you will see Android screen. On that screen you will see Facebook app. Click on the Facebook app and provide your phone number or email ID along with the password that are using on your Android device. Once you have logged into your Facebook account, now you can run it. Well, you can follow these steps for other apps as well to run them on your computer. So, this is all about how to run Android apps on PC without emulator. I hope the given information will help you run your Android apps on PC without any emulator. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.